Hi friends, this is Deepalakshimi, studying 10th standard in Ramakrishna Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School in Padunalli. Now I talk about Ostrich history. Ostrich, large flightless bird, found only in open in Africa. The largest living bird and adult male may be 2.75 meters, about 9 feet tall. Almost half of its height is neck and weight more than 150 kg, 330 pounds. The female is somewhat similar. The ostrich eggs, averaging about 150 meter 6 inches in length by 125 millimeter 5 inches in diameter and about 1.35 kg 3 pounds, is also the world's largest. The male is mostly black but has white plumps in the wings and tail. Females are mostly brown. The head and most of neck reddish to bluish in color, is slightly downward. The legs, including the powerful things, are bare. The head is small, the bill short and rather wide. The big brown eyes have thin black lashes. Thank you for watching video.